Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Online Python Ides and Essential Libraries, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore the world of online Python integrated development environments, ides, and learn how to harness their power for coding, testing, and running Python programs. Additionally, we will delve into essential Python libraries and provide code examples to showcase their usage. Section 1, Choosing an Online Python IDE. 1.1 Overview of Online Python IDEs. 1.2 Setting up an account. Section 2, Basic Python coding in online IDEs. 2.1 Creating a new Python file. 2.2 Hello World example. Section 3, Essential Python libraries. 3.1 NumPy. 3.2 Pandas. Section 4, Plotting with matplotlib. 4.1 Matplotlib. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now successfully explored online Python IDEs and gained hands-on experience with essential Python libraries. Feel free to continue exploring and experimenting with these tools to enhance your Python coding skills. Happy coding! ChatGPT